Hi guys! So today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-create ng passport appointment online. So first, go to passport.gov.ph. Click OK. Then schedule an appointment. Start appointment. Then sa terms and condition, just click I have read and understood. Then sa baba may makikita kayong start individual or start group. So dito muna tayo sa individual. Click OK. Then, site location, of course, Asia Pacific. Then, Philippines. Then, kung saan yung pinakamalapit na branch sa inyo. And then, click next. Then, sa schedule na tayo. Tip ko lang sa inyo guys, siguro mga 2 months before nyo kailangan yung passport nyo, mag-book na kayo. Kasi as you can see, July pa lang, pero October yung nearest na schedule. October 26. So, click natin yan. Then next. Nasa taas yung schedule na napili natin. Then fill upan lang natin itong form. Email address. Siguraduhin nyo na active siya kasi after ng whole process, may marireceive kayo na confirmation email sa inyong. And then, may kasama siya na file na kailangan nyo i-download and i-print. So, ito. Name. And then yung date of birth. Then gender. Civil status. Birth legitimacy. Of course, legitimate. Yung province nyo and yung municipality. Father's information. So, Juan Cruz, example lang natin yan na. Yung maiden last name ng mother nyo, apelido sa pagkadalaga. Click next. Yung middle name, hindi na yan kailangan. Pero pwede nyo rin naman siyang ilagay. Optional naman. Application type, new. Of course, sa basis is birth. Or depende sa situation nyo. Then contact person, tsaka yung number niya. Next. Complete address ninyo. City, yung province, and occupation nyo. Yung office number and office address, optional siya guys. So, okay lang kahit leave it lang. And then, pwede nyo i-edit yung na-input ninyo na information just in case na may mali. So, ayan, scroll down para ma-review. If ever na okay na, click save. And then next. Click nyo lang yung I'm not a robot. Then may lalabas na captcha dyan. Look guys, yung selected appointment is scheduled. October 26. Yan. Tapos, check lang natin yung I am aware. And then confirm.